There's this new kind of gold rush sweeping the globe right now. But instead of gold mining, this one is all about gold investing, and it's driving prices to new heights. NewsNation's Marcus Espinoza has all the details from Wall Street for us. Marcus, good morning to you. I mean, the price of gold just keeps going up and up and up. What's driving it?
Hey, Markie, I'm actually outside of a local gold shop here in Brooklyn. And here's the thing. It's on a historic run right now, and it's a safety net for a lot of folks. They feel better possessing and buying gold. It's now at a record high. Yesterday, it climbed to that record high, $5,100 an ounce. An unbelievable amount for that price of gold, something we have not seen ever before. In fact, in 2025, gold jumped over 60% in the year. So let's take a look at what's going on right now at this point. Spot gold, which is the current market price for immediate delivery, jumped 2.4% to more than $5,100 an ounce before dropping slightly. U.S. gold futures for February also climbed more than 2% above $5,000. And why is gold such a hot investment right now? Investors see gold really as a safe place for their money when there's uncertainty around the world, which is certainly happening in places like Venezuela and the Middle East. Plus, a steady demand for gold helps push prices higher as well. That is something that we are seeing. Economist Mitch Rochelle told us that buying the actual physical gold bars and coins often gives people that sense of security that I've mentioned.
The more turbulent times we face, people tend to look for safer places to invest, and gold becomes, or precious metals becomes, one of those places. They have the cash that's in the bank, but they also have those gold bars that, theoretically are going to withstand the test of time in terms of being a store of wealth.
Now, here's the thing. It's not just gold that is jumping here as well. Silver jumped nearly 5%. Platinum is also up as well to new records high. So people are worried their cash returns are not going to beat inflation. That is a primary concern. So inflation is driving this right now as well. And you got to think about the finite resource of gold as well. All the gold ever mined in the world can fit into 3 or 4 Olympic-sized swimming pools. That's all that's out there right now, and that is leading to that high price for gold as well.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.